Hi my dear friends, today we will discuss how to draw flowcharts and circuits using draw.io. So my dear friends, listen carefully. This is very important when you prepare some project documents, when you want to write a paper and when you want to write the thesis at that time. So we will require all these flowcharts and circuits. So remember one point my dear friends, we can draw these flowcharts circuits through using PPT also, PowerPoint present also, but it takes a lot of time to draw all these things. So in order to reduce the time and in order to get the good quality of the images and good quality of the charts, then we want to go for draw.io software. This is very helpful. This is the draw.io software. First we will go through that draw.io software, right? Simply click on here and open the Google and go to draw.io, right? Simply it will ask if you want to go for create new diagram. Click on create new diagram. So here see there is a basic diagrams you want, a business, a flow charts. We want to go for cloud related diagrams. You want to go for engineering related diagrams, or flow charts, or maps. Different variety of are there. Different types of formats are there. Then you, now suppose I want to go first in simple a block diagram. See simple a block diagram, right? See click create. Click on go to create. Right before going to create, you give some name, that is T. And click somewhere you can modify. See, right? See. Now open the total file, edit file format, right? Suppose let us consider. Suppose I want to draw some flowchart. Suppose I want to draw the one flowchart, that is, suppose there is a start, right? And start, and then some data we want to read. And there is a some, that is some decision, then again I will go for data, then there is a start. See how we will implement this using draw.io. Otherwise we can go electrical circuits also, electrical or electronic circuit, any circuit we can develop here. See simple V in, and we can go for V out. We can write the data also, R, C, some data, here some data, here some data. So this we will draw using draw.io, right? Simply open. See this is open, right? See here. So this is the different types of general. General means there are different types of formats are there. MISC. If you click on MISC, then it will open different types. See. Then if you click on advanced, basic, arrows, flowcharts. So all different types of formats are there. Only the thing is, please go and search whatever you want, right? So how to search simple things? Suppose I want resistor. I want resistor symbol. Click on here, resistor. Click on here, resistor, right? See, then our resistor will come. See. So suppose simply you can place here resistor, right? Suppose you want to place a capacitor. Enter. It will come capacitor. If you want to rotate, simply you want to rotate this, then you place here. See, right? So in this way we can draw the electrical circuits also, right? Suppose if you want to go for implement some diagram that is related to flowchart, right? How to draw the flowchart? First we will go. Simply go to start, right? So this one. You want to give color also here. See, if you want to give the color, simply click on this, right? If you want to write matter, double click here. Double click, you can write start. You can change the color also, color, and you can change the bold also, right here. You can go the font color also here. Apply. See, right? So now I want to go to some parallelogram. How to connect these two? See, simply drag this. Simply arrow. You can also change the color. Right? Now we want to go for some decision box. Click on some decision box. So we maximum use if else statement, right? Right. You can give any different color. Right. So again I want to take some diagram. So give some color and that arrow comes, then only you have to drag that. Now stop. Right? By double clicking you can write whatever you want, right? You can change the font and format, whatever it may be, you can change it by using this. So this way. So now how we can import this? How we can import? See, simply go to file. Here see, export. Export which format you want, PNG, JPG, JVG or PDF. So if you go for PDF, simply it will go export. You can give some device where you want to save, Google Drive or OneDrive or Dropbox, where you want to save. Then you please click on device. Click on device, right? See, it is downloaded, right? Simply open this. See the quality of that image. See how quality it comes. But if you want to draw the same graph, same flow chart in PPT, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. See, in this way you can save JPG file, a PNG file, whatever it may be file. Suppose you want to export some files from there, right? Suppose see. So in this way we can draw the diagrams, right? See, this is very helpful, my dear students. You please go through it. You can implement any electrical circuits also, electronic circuits also, right? So you can, by using this DA.io, we can implement any type of circuit, any type of diagrams. In the previous class, using Origin software, I told how to draw the graphs. But now I am telling how to draw the circuits using DA.io, right? So my dear friends, please subscribe my channel and comment and like, and thank you for your cooperation. Thank you so much, my dear students.